Hey everyone, what's going on? Greg here again from TM Blast. In this video, I'm going to go over one of my favorite reports in Local Falcon. It's called Top Businesses Share of Local Voice Over Time. This is a great visualization to show if you're winning in a particular keyword against some of your top competitors. It's going to be this line graph that's going to show over time who's winning and who's losing in the search market race. I hope you guys enjoy. This is a standard trend report within Local Falcon. So the keyword here is New York Local SEO. I'm looking at TM Blast. I have a 91% share of local voice in a 30-mile radius, which means that I'm position 1, 2, or 3 in the map pack listing. When you scroll down, I have a line graph here from December 1st all the way through June 24th. You can see the hockey stick effect of my share of local voice. This is helpful, but you can even get even more helpful with a how you compare against top businesses in your area for the same keyword. So what you want to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page, and let's check off Mannix Marketing, their box number 2. Scroll back up to the very top. Now all of a sudden I can see a second line. They're in yellow. I can see their trend report for the same keyword over the same time period. Let's check off a few more as well, because I want to get as more granular as we can. Local SEO advantage, engines of creation and web design and SEO, and how about the AI web agency? Scroll all the way back up. Now I have a very complete trend report. My clients love this, especially my clients that are super focused on a particular area like New York City, or I have another one also that is focused more in Massachusetts and Rhode Island. We love looking at this share of local voice trend report against the top businesses because effectively, when you start off, you don't have a high enough share of local voice. So as the SEO strategy continues, as the months go by, and we start to improve the share of local voice, you're going to take that market share from someone else. So this is a great way to kind of self-identify who is your top competitors and then see over time if you're taking share from them. Because obviously, if you're getting into the top 3, someone else is getting bumped out. So when I look at this report real quick for TM Blast, I can already tell that local SEO advantage, they're in the dark green. They were the ones at the top to start off, and now they kind of dropped off. While TM Blast, which is my business, I've been able to own that market share for the keyword New York Local SEO. Anyway, I share this video because if you are using Local Falcon, this is a great visual to see exactly how you're doing against your competition. And if you don't have Local Falcon, there's a link in this description where you can try it out for free. It's just a great way to get a quick bird's eye view of the keyword and the radius that you want to go after and how you're ranking. And I'll see who is ranking against you in the area. Anyway, if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section. And as always, have a good rest of your day.